Hi girls, this is Shehla. I'm back with another tutorial. Today we are going to do this nice duochrome look and we are going to use this shadow. This is the duochrome shadow by Natasha Denona. There are many duochrome eyeshadows in the market now and I really like the effect they have. Like they change the colors, which I really love. The rest of the makeup stays like this. So I have used many new products today. I used the Dior Backstage foundation, which I have been dying to use for a long time, and now I have used it. I loved it. It has very light texture which just blends into the skin, and you do need a bit of the coverage on the spots that you have. The rest is perfect. I'm loving it. Let me see the wearability of this one and then we will discuss how it went. So the rest of the makeup is done for the eyes. Today what we are going to do is actually we are going to put on a bit of the powder under the eye. What it will do is that it will give a bit of the coverage under the eyes. And okay, so this one is done. Now the next step will be application of this Amrita. This is also a liquid. It is a base for my duochrome shadow. It is by Too Faced Melted Chocolate. This is an amazing product. I have gotten all the colors in this and I really love it because I think it provides a very strong base, and it is the eyeshadows on top of it stay really well. And then blend out the shadow into the crease and then up. I will take some more shadow and go along the lower lash line. I'll take a dome shaped brush like this and blend it. It has nothing on it, so when I will blend, it will give very nice clean edges. The very next step, highlighting the inner corner using Charlotte Tilbury Champagne Diamonds. I'm going to do a bit of it under the high point of the brow bone as well. This is how it looks. We are going to take this Natasha Denona duochrome shadow and then apply some in the center. At first I applied in the center, but then seeing the beauty of this shadow, I decided to go in on all of the eye. I will use another flat brush and then I will start blending it out. I am not sure the camera can actually catch the beauty of this shadow because it looks like peach, pink and yellow, which is like a very beautiful combination. In every angle it has a beautiful different feel. I think I need a bit more because I have more on this side. The look is very simple. Now I am comparing the two eyes. So once this is done, go in again with this dome shape brush and blend out the edges. While it is still wet and not set properly, because it will blend into the skin, there will be a color gradient going from darker to a lighter. So this is how the eye looks. The new Fenty mascaras, but both in the travel size. When I try to use something which I'm not sure about how it will end up, what I do is that I buy a travel size, give it a go, and then I will buy a full size. So I bought one in the black, so let me try the black one. It comes in different colors as well. Take your time, coat each and every lash. So I have coated the lashes. Now the next step that I am thinking is actually using a burgundy mascara in the same Fenty Beauty, and it colors looks like this, and I totally adore this color on the eyes. I don't know, somehow it makes my brown eyes pop more. I know the camera's eye might not be able to appreciate the color, but I know it's there, and someone who is sitting close to you, they can definitely appreciate the beauty of this color. I will take banana powder and put under, keep the highlighted field under the eyes. So this is the finished look. One more thing that I want to discuss with you today. I got this Ofra highlighter, which is glazed donut from Dubai, and I want you to see this color. Now I am wearing this highlighter, and I brush for this. I will tap off the excess. I went on the high points of the cheek, here, nose, and you can see it gives a very nice look to the face. It looks like it is almost wet, so it looks lovely, and I'm loving this highlighter. Now I am going to finish this makeup by some Fenty mist, which I recently bought. Very fine mist. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two. I'll be sharing more pictures of the same. Thank you very much for watching. Follow me on my platforms. Love you, darlings.